This is one of the secrets of Southern gardening. It's a cool word. It's called, the word is coppicing. So we're gonna coppice the mulberry tree behind us. So there are lots of reasons to coppice. Some people coppice things that will encourage and produce more flowers in the next summer. Some people coppice because it'll make what's already a big leaf much bigger. And with fruit trees like mulberry, I'm coppicing this because I don't want to bring a ladder out here and have to climb to pick the mulberry. So this is going to make the branches come out and the fruits easier to get. The key to coppicing is knowing your plants. You have to know which plants can tolerate it and which plants respond well.